You can start it if you want.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, we're gonna be putting Corsas on a CAMMED Z06, my boy's CAMMED Z06. Can't do much with my car. It's in the shop waiting for the shifter parts to come in. But yeah, let's get this video started. Please subscribe if you guys like the Corvette content. Hit that like button and let's get into this video. Off. About to put these Corsas on. See how these sound. Shit about to be fucking loud. Man, we had everything off, and this boy KJ decided to take the keys with him, so we have to move a lever back, and we need the keys to do that. And we're just stuck at this point until he fucking comes back, so I'll be back soon. Got it all together. It's a bunch of Indians working on a Corvette. Perfect, buddy. It's perfect.
Damn, you can see where they welded it up.
Yeah, you can.
I don't know what else sitting in
Man, we got a Gallardo right there. You know about downforce, bro. Gang, bro, you look cute today. That beard looking nice. Ah, you broke your car.
You can start it if you want. You trying to rev it for me here? Wait, you want to or not?
Hold on, let's go up there.
Oh yeah, I'll be right back.
God damn, this nigga going hella forward. Oh shit. You look stupid, bro. Man, motherfucker got blurred from the first day.
That's
Fuck. What's that say?
No, I used to until we did the
What the fuck does that say on the wicker bill? Hey, what's that say on the wicker bill? What's that say on the wicker bill?
I can't see that far, buddy.
Sis, I can't read it.
So much louder. Cops love me.